Hi guys, so today I want to talk more about shared vision. Shared vision is a mechanic that some spells in Dota has, and I will show you all of them. So basically what this thing does is some spells that you use on a target, they give you vision that this target has. And it's mostly beneficial when playing against Night Stalker or against maybe other heroes that has additional vision. But mostly it's good against Night Stalker because he has insane and unobstructed amounts of vision from his ultimate. So as you can see, Night Stalker uses ultimate. Static Link is a shared vision skill. I use this on the Night Stalker and I see everything. Everything that Night Stalker's ulti sees, I see as well when I use Static Link. Shared vision spells are also Charge from Spirit Breaker. Meeple's Earthbind also is a shared vision skill. Sniper's Assassinate when you mark the target. And also Grimstroke's second spell, the Silence. But also, more importantly, his ultimate is also gives you shared vision. So you can say that Grimstroke is kind of a counter against Night Stalker. At least if he manages to use his ultimate on him. As you can see, it doesn't have to be bound to anyone. Grimstroke's ultimate. I just solo use it on Night Stalker, and I get all of this unobstructed vision. Besides these heroes that I already shown you, also Spectre and her dagger. This thing also gives you shared vision. And it's kind of interesting because you can buy Aghanim Scepter on Spectre, and Aghanim applies Spectral Dagger. So you can like play in a different part of the map, and you can see that Night Stalker is attacking your teammates or something like that, and you can just use your Aghanim, and you will give to your team an insane amount of unobstructed vision, which is like the most crucial thing for a successful team fight, right? Having a good vision, so you can break or keep your positioning. So I think that is it. This all of the spells that give you shared vision. Yeah. Good luck in your games against Night Stalker, guys.